this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have a SIM card for you guys. I have lost my Vodafone SIM from UK. So I bought again in Spain and they have sent me here. So they couldn't send me the last chip. I had to be there, but unfortunately I couldn't be there. €4 I have to pay for this one. And with the Prime it was free for sending. So let me unpack this package. Take off from here. So you can see my cheap Vodafone 7 gigas, €10 is 7 giga unlimited call and text for 30-day bundle. Vodafone Pay as you go SIM card, new loyalty program from Vodafone. Okay. More information. I have to write this text. If I want to pop up this amount of money is written, I have to pop up and write this code text to send activate this promos. Here we go. So you can see how is the SIM of Vodafone UK or England, made of recycled plastic. So I take this off. Here we go. It's 5G SIM card. More information written here and there. So you have mini, micro, all, adapter or big one as you want. So I take this off from middle. Here we go. Comes as a micro one. So I want mini. So I can take one more step down. So you'll have the adapter for further use. So here is the chip. I leave this here. This way push inside. You see how it's there, everything is fine. Let's see at the top. It's detected by Vodafone Spain, but the SIM is working in the roaming. So you have to go to your account of Vodafone, you have to pop up the money, then it's gonna work. So it's working here fine. In the past I have done, so you can use Vodafone SIM in Spain, and when you're returning back to England you can use very easily, guys. So this is the unpackaging and assemble of Vodafone SIM 7 gigas, pay as you go. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.